Okay, so I'm just going to look at factorising where there is a negative out the front. You notice in all of these, there's a minus out the front. What happens when there is a minus out the front? First of all, you need to take out a minus. So if there is a minus out the front, you will need to take the minus out outside the bracket. So if you look at this, we're going to take the minus. So what goes into 2 that also goes into 4? That would be 2. X and Y, so there's no common letter or pronumeral. Okay, so 2 times what will give you 2x, and that would be 2 times x. Now here's the catch. When we go to do the second one, minus 2 times what will give you positive 4. So because you've taken the minus out, you need to put a minus here, because a minus times a minus will give you that plus that's there. So 2 times 2y will give you minus times a minus will give you a plus. 2 2s are 4, and then you just have y. So what I want you to notice here is that the sign in the middle changed, the same as when you expand. So it started as a plus and then it went to a minus. Okay, so just be aware that that the sign in the middle will actually change. Okay, so this one, take out a minus. So it's going to be the minus 8 and 6, that's 2. A squared and A, that will be A, and there's no common B. Okay, so we have minus 2 times what gives you the 6, minus 2 times 3, A times A is A squared. Minus 2 times what will give you minus 8. So you've got to change the sign to a 4 plus. 2 4s are 8, so change the sign to a plus. So it went, you notice here it went from a minus to a plus, because a minus times a plus will give you the minus back again. So now we've got an A came out of that 8AB, so it means there's just a B left. So this one here, you'll take the minus, because there's a minus out the front. You've got 2 4 6, so take the 2 out. There's no common letters there or pronumerals. 2 times x squared, minus 2 times x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus 2 times plus 4. You need to change the sign, because a minus times a minus is a plus. 2 2s are 4. The x will stay. And then we've got to do the minus 6. So change the sign, because minus times a plus will get you back to that minus. 2 times 3 is 3. So just further on that, notice that, see, that plus there went to a minus, so there was a sign change. The minus there went to a plus, there was a sign change again. Okay, and the minus, you have to, if there's a minus there, you have to put a minus out the front. So in all of that, these signs, you noticed that what had happened is the signs changed each time, and the minus definitely had to come out the front.